Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to another delicious episode. Today I'm super excited to share with you one of my all-time favorite recipes, authentic Spanish potato salad, also known as ensaladilla rusa. This dish is a staple in Spanish cuisine and is loved by many for its creamy texture and delightful flavors. It's a perfect dish for any occasion, whether you're hosting a dinner party, having a picnic, or just fancy a light, tasty meal. Trust me, it's a crowd pleaser. Let's dive right in and get started on this culinary adventure. First things first, you'll need a handful of ingredients. Don't worry, they're all easy to find and probably already in your kitchen. For this recipe, we're using potatoes, carrots, peas, hard-boiled eggs, canned tuna, green olives, and mayonnaise. Simple, right? These ingredients come together to create a symphony of flavors that's both refreshing and satisfying. Okay, let's get started. Begin by peeling and dicing about 500 grams of potatoes and 2 medium carrots. This step is crucial as it ensures that all the ingredients blend well together. Pop them into a pot of salted boiling water and cook until they're tender but not mushy. About 10-12 minutes to do the trick. Keep an eye on them to avoid overcooking. Right, once done, drain them well and set them aside to cool. Cooling the vegetables is important as it helps maintain their texture when mixed with other ingredients. Now, onto the peas. These little green gems add a pop of color and sweetness to our salad. You'll need about 100 grams of frozen peas. They're convenient and just as nutritious as fresh ones. Just simmer them in boiling water for 2-3 minutes, then drain and let them cool as well. This quick blanching process keeps them vibrant and crisp. Easy peasy. Let's not forget the hard-boiled eggs. They add a rich, creamy texture that's simply irresistible. You'll need 3 of them. Make sure they're perfectly boiled to avoid any runny yolks. Hard-boil them, let them cool, peel, and chop them into small pieces. This step is a bit tedious, but totally worth it for the final texture. These will add a delightful texture and richness to our salad. Now grab a large mixing bowl and combine your cooled potatoes, carrots, peas, and eggs. Add in 1 drained can of tuna, about 150 grams. Tuna brings a savory depth to the salad that's simply delicious. Make sure to break it up into nice, flaky pieces. This ensures that every bite has a bit of that tasty tuna. Next, toss in a handful of chopped green olives. These little guys bring a lovely briny kick to the dish, balancing out the creaminess of the mayonnaise. Now for the magic touch, mayonnaise. You'll need about 200 grams. This is what makes the salad creamy and luscious. Gently fold it into the mixture, making sure everything is nicely coated. The key here is to mix gently to keep the potatoes intact. If you like, you can add a bit more mayo to suit your taste. Some people prefer it creamier, so feel free to adjust. Give it a good mix, but be gentle. You don't want to mash the potatoes. The goal is to have a well-mixed salad with distinct pieces of each ingredient. Alright, we're almost there. Season your salad with salt and pepper to taste. And that's it. Your authentic Spanish potato salad is ready to be enjoyed. But wait, there's one more step to elevate the flavors. Pop it in the fridge for about an hour before serving to let all those wonderful flavors meld together. This resting time allows the ingredients to harmonize beautifully. Serve it up as a side dish or even as a light main course. It's versatile and fits perfectly with any meal. It's refreshing, hearty, and absolutely delicious. Trust me, this salad is going to be a hit with everyone. Give it a go and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any variations you might try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Your support means the world to me. See you next time. Bye.